everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Mr. Book and Me. Today, we're diving deep and drawing a shark. We need black liner pen. Let's start by outlining the body of our shark. Add a triangle on top of the dorsal fin.
It helps me stay balanced.
Let's add a circles for eye. Then draw the mouth. Add couple of sharp triangles for his teeth.
These teeth are for chomping yummy fish.
Now, let's draw a crescent moon shape for the tail fin. Let's color our shark. What color are you, Mr. Shark?
I'm a proud blue shark, but I like the rainbow color.
Okay, we will make you a rainbow shark. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Indigo. Violet. Wow, our shark is ready!
Thanks for drawing me. It was so much fun.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art adventures. See you next time!